Once we've gotten the next notes, the thing we are going to try to do is we are going to try to separate the notes. So far we've been playing whole notes. But what if I want to play shorter notes? What if I want to play a half note or a quarter note or an eighth note or any note that's shorter than just a long tone? What I'm going to do is I'm going to use my tongue to separate each and every note. So what I will do is with our tongue, you're going to press the tongue on the roof of your mouth to try to separate each note. And you can do this for quarter. You can even do that for eighth notes. So you're not going each and every time. You're going to take one breath, but you're going to separate them using your tongue. So on the trumpet now, we're going to go back to our G, and we're going to try to play 4 quarter notes. And again, we're going to use our tongue to touch the roof of our mouth. Now, the next step we can try is we try our eighth notes. Very good. Let's see if we can make them even shorter. So again, that's all in one breath, but I am using my tongue to separate the notes. So you can do that on the mouthpiece too. So that's how on the trumpet we separate each and every note. Okay? So that once you get a sound and once you feel confident, that would be the next step. Okay?